Hi, this is your cooking doctor Kamal Mehta, and today I'll be making a Parsi dish called Salim Keema. And so without wasting any time, let's start with the cooking. I have put the pan on heat and now I will be adding to it 500 grams of minced meat, that is keema, which I have washed properly till it is white. Now along with this I will add into it finely chopped 3 onions. And now we will be adding 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Yes, as you can see, all this is without any oil, and I shall be not adding any oil till this whole thing dries up. Now I'll add to it ginger garlic paste, about 2 full tablespoons. And we will give it a quick stir. And we will let this dry totally. The keema will leave its water, the onions will leave its water, and after some time we shall add salt and the masalas to it. So till then, let us saute it till it completely dries off. Now as you can see, we've kept this on low flame throughout and we've let all the water dry up. Please use a non-stick pan such that it does not burn. And as you can see, it's totally dry now. And now to this we will add in 4 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. And we will give it a quick stir. We'll keep mashing like this in between such that the onions and tomatoes get mashed too. We don't want it to come into our mouth once it is cooked. Now we'll keep the flame on low only, and we'll add about 1 teaspoon of salt, and we will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder to it. Now I have used this as my measuring spoon. Now chili, you can add more if you want to. It depends on how spicy you like it. Now we will keep sauteing this till it becomes nice and red and dry, and then we will add water to it. Now as you all can see, this lovely color has come and oil has started coming up also. Now at this stage we will add in around 1 cup of water, and we will let it take a boil. Now we can cover it and let it cook on its own till it is done, or we can also transfer it into a cooker and give it around 3 to 4 whistles and let all the masalas mix together. Now here for the sali part, we will either use ready-made aloo lachhas, which you get easily in the market, to put over our keema, as the name is only sali keema. Or we can even, if this is not available, then you can cut potatoes into fine strips like these, and you can either fry them and add it into the keema, or you can add this just when you are about to boil the keema or put it in cooker for 3 whistles. Just add it at that time till the potatoes are done. this is the final presentation. We will pour the keema into our plate and then we will put the sali over it, that is the aloo lachhas over it. And now this is the final version of my tried and tasty version of sali keema. So please do like, share and subscribe and give it a try.